Well, hello everyone, it's me, Daniel with Website Candy, and I know it's been forever since I made a video, but the reason why, well, my explanation is the reason why I haven't made a video is because I stepped away from the web design game, but I am back. As you can see here that I have the website that I've been working on for the past day or two. It's just about complete and I'm about to launch it. I'm just giving you guys over here in the YouTube community, since you guys have been so faithful, stay subscribed to me. I'm giving you guys a sneak peek of what it is. As you can see right here, file semicolon / indicates that the site is not live. It's just on my C drive, but I'm able to get a preview as I develop it. As you can see right here is just a quick preview. Before, when I did web design, I shied away from SEO. However, I'm going to go into the SEO game this time around. So if you're interested, if you need a website, if you had a website by me before, if you was thinking about getting a website and I left, here's your opportunity to get back in. The website's, like I said, it's just about complete. I'm just kind of proofing it to make sure everything is there. As you can see, this link over here is GoDaddy domain name search. I'm still deciding on the name. I'll make a decision within the next day or two. But over here, I'm back in Dreamweaver. I don't have Photoshop up and running right now, but you're going to get a whole lot more tutorials on Dreamweaver, a whole lot more tutorials on Photoshop as I used to do before. And something that I'm using here, no affiliate connection whatsoever, is the Grammarly. You know, I would always kind of outsource my copy in regards to having it put together, have somebody else write it for my website to make sure that everything within the website is ranking. I'm trying it myself here, and another reason why I would always outsource it is because my spelling is the old traditional hillbilly spelling, and sometimes I just misspell things. But I got a team working with me here to help me get everything spelled correctly, and I got Grammarly here to help me out, which is a great tool. But this is the site. This is it right here. So make sure you leave a comment. If you're not subscribed already, make sure you subscribe for future updates. But this is it. This is the website right here. Pretty basic, pretty simple. Less is more these days. If you got one of these extravagant, crazy websites, you know, with a million pages, you might miss something. But this is just a one-page deal, parallax. I'm still with the parallax design. I believe in the parallax, and I've actually removed all the tabs and said, hey, you know, you get no tabs this time. This is the website, this is the full shot, and this is it. So make sure that you're subscribed and give me some feedback and let me know what you think about the website so far, and I will be definitely updating you guys when I launch it completely out. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Goodbye.